This morning, residents in the northern states are finally seeing snow melt from a historic winter. The problem now is a rapid rise of water. Meteorologist Marcus Bagwell takes a look at the flooding issues that big cities are seeing.
Yeah, there are some big problems here in the Mississippi River, known for the second largest river in North America, with 7 smaller rivers that flow into it. And in the northern plains to Great Lakes region, this historic snow totals that they've seen from this past season is leading to a rapid flow of water entering the rivers, and it's going to increase the major flooding issues. Like this video here from Davenport, Iowa, which is right along the Mississippi River, also close to Rock Island, Illinois. Water here has risen over 2 feet alone since Saturday morning, and that is a lot for areas that are along this area, with this being where some of the greatest snowfall occurred up to the north and northwest. This water will continue to flow south into Davenport and Rock Island, increasing the flood threat for areas along the Mississippi River area. I want to give you a closer look. This is the Mississippi River that flows all the way up through sections of Minnesota here. It's outlined in blue, but within this area, we're looking at some areas of significant flooding around Minneapolis, coming down toward Davenport and the Rock Island area, even approaching near St. Louis and the Quincy vicinity. We'll probably see some increased flooding issues there in the St. Louis area over the next several days to the next couple of weeks. But I want to show you a couple of graphics showing you some of the flood issues in Minneapolis and in Davenport. We'll first start in St. Paul, Minnesota. Here you can notice that we are in the moderate flood stage, or excuse me, major flood stage category in the purple right now, just about 18 feet. It's expected to rise a little bit more by another ½ a foot before decreasing going into the early part of next week. That's upstream on the Mississippi River. The river flows downstream all the way to the Gulf of Mexico into Louisiana. So this is at Rock Island, Illinois, near Davenport. And you notice here it is on a record climb, expected to get very close. We're talking within a foot of the record, 22.7 feet. It's forecasted to reach 21.7 feet. So a lot of this water is going to continue to just flow down the Mississippi. Other areas like St. Louis, maybe even down toward the Memphis area, could have some flooding impacts maybe in the days to weeks to follow.
All right. Thanks, Marcus.
Good information.